How to open AudioLab for the first time. First of all, locate the app on your device and tap on its icon to open it. On the first launch, you will see the welcome screen. Tap the right arrow at the bottom right corner of the screen to continue. Next, the app may ask for permissions to access your music. Allow these permissions so you can use all the features without any restrictions. After that, you will see the main interface of AudioLab. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, including tools for recording, framing, mixing, and applying effects to your audio files. Once you have explored the interface and understood the main tools, you are ready to start creating or editing audio with AudioLab. The app provides all the essential functions to make your audio editing process smooth and enjoyable. Now you know how to open AudioLab for the first time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.